Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. You're on Sweet Fruit Diet. My name is Olga, I'm a nutritionist with more than 10 years of experience, and today I'm going to teach you how to eat healthy, how to lose weight, how to feel positive. And let's go started. How to lose weight. How to eat to lose weight. If you want to lose weight, you must know the basic rule of calorie intake. Eat foods from all of the food groups each day. This is the great way to ensure you are getting all the nutrition your body needs, and it helps to ward off any diet deficiency. Also, don't eat the same food all the time. Experiment so that you don't get bored with the same old diet. Your diet should include all aspects of the food groups, including carbohydrates. In fact, the diet needs to be about 50 to 55% of carbs. Carbs are a great source of energy. Those diets which prohibit carbohydrates are actually harming you and only making you crave them that much more. Your diet should cause you to be deficient in anything. Protein should make up only 25–30% of your diet. Far too much emphasis is put on meat as the main part of your meal. And actually, it should be considered more of a side dish rather than the main food. Fats should make up 50 to 20% of your meal. This is really all the fat your body needs. Is diet 1500 calories a day enough to lose weight? Experts believe that 1500 calories diet, which is 500 calories less than 2000 calories diet, is enough to lose 0.5 kilograms a week. Reducing your overall calories intake can help you lose weight with easy, but some sure it doesn't cause any more health problem. Try to go as vegetarian as you can. This really is a healthier lifestyle. Even if you cannot cut meat out completely, the more fruits and vegetables you can eat, the better. The more meat you can cut out, the more fat you can cut out of your diet as well. However, protein is important, so be certain that your option allows you to maintain good protein levels. I hope this information was helpful for you and I helped you to understand a little bit more about food intake, calorie in, calorie out. Anyway, this information is a basic information for you if you have interest to healthy food, lifestyle, and how to lose weight. If you like this video and if you want to see more helpful video, please subscribe to my channel. It's really helped my channel to grow. Put notification bell and see you in next video. Bye!